GST is the integrated indirect tax which is levied on the supply of goods and services. There will be dual GST with the center and state simultaneously levying it on the common tax base. The CGST and SGST will be charged on intrastate supplies, whereas IGST will be charged on interstate supplies. The small business having turnover up to Rs 20 lakhs are exempted from GST under. All the other taxpayer having the turnover of more than Rs 20 lakhs, Rs 10 lakhs in northeast states, are required to register and pay GST. The commerce and finance graduates can become GST Return Preparer to file return on behalf of taxpayers. Effects of GST. The tax rate under GST may be nominal or zero rated for the time it charged. It has been proposed to insulate the revenues of the states from the impact of GST, with the expectation that in due course, GST will be levied on petroleum and petroleum products. The central government has assured states for any revenue losses incurred by them from the date of introduction of GST for a period of 5 years. GST on exports. Under the GST law, export of goods or services are treated as zero-rated supplies. Therefore, GST will not be charged on the export of goods or services. The credit on inputs used for making export supplies will be available to the exporter. The exporters have two options: either to export goods under bond and claim refund of input credit, or to export goods under rebate claim and claim the refund of output tax. GSTN. Goods and Services Tax Network, GSTN, is a non-profit organization formed to create a platform for all the concerned parties like stakeholders, government, taxpayers to collaborate on a single portal. Will be accessible to the central government, which will track down every transaction on its end, while the taxpayers will be having a vast service to return, file their taxes and maintain the details. The IT network will be developed by private firms which are being in tie-up with the central government and will be having stakes accordingly. The known authorized capital of GSTN is 10 crore, $1.60 million, in which central government holds 24.5% of shares while the state government holds 24.5% and rest with private banking firms.